Did you know that you could accelerate your mortgage payments by paying more each month? But should you try to pay off your mortgage faster? Like most people, you probably got a 30-year fixed mortgage that will of course take 30 years to pay off. But should you take all 30 years to pay off your mortgage? Many mortgage loans give you the opportunity to pay more per month. Well, the answer depends on your circumstances. First, if you do have the money to pay off your mortgage early, the answer is no. You shouldn't pay off your mortgage early. Money today is worth more than money tomorrow. And by paying off your mortgage early, you're putting in more money today. Your first mortgage payment and your last mortgage payment 30 years later will both be $1,500. But that $1,500 today can buy a lot more things than $1,500 in 30 years. If you just stay the course, you'll actually be paying less in the future. The money not going to paying off your mortgage can be used to invest in something that will grow in value over time. Why waste it on putting an extra few dollars per month on paying off your mortgage? If you think you'll be able to pay off your mortgage in the future as planned, you shouldn't put a dime more than you have to. But people as they are can be irrational, especially when it comes to money. Perhaps you just don't want to deal with future payments and get it over as soon as possible. More money put in today will mean less money you have to pay in the future. And that's true. On a $1,500 per month mortgage, if you pay $3,000, that erases one whole month in the future you have to pay. The banks will be glad to take your money. If you want that peace of mind, that's your decision. Economically speaking, that won't be the right decision based on what I said earlier in this video, but you may have your reasons. Money today will always be worth more than money tomorrow. The only way to reverse that is to take that money you have today and invest it in something that would be more valuable in the future. Putting that into your mortgage is not investing that money. You're paying back a loan, which doesn't change month to month. Be smart, and if there's no real logical reason to pay off your mortgage faster, then don't pay your mortgage faster. So what are your thoughts? Are you trying to pay your mortgage faster? Comment below. And as always, take care of your money.